Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. You're watching the baddest. If you didn't know, you do now. Before we get into this video, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and make sure you hit that bell so you're notified any and every time I post a video. For those of you who don't know, my name is Shakira, and as you've seen by the title, it's a car maintenance video. I'm cleaning the outside and the inside, y'all. Let me show y'all, because this is ridiculous. We got stuff, trash, more trash. My back seat, I don't even want to talk about it. It's just like, this is not how we're supposed to be riding around. So we're gonna go clean my car today. So I'll see y'all when I get to the car wash. Hey, I made it to the car wash. I guess everybody and their mama just need to wash their cars today. What's that noise? Oh, the gate. But I guess I'm gonna get through. Oh, I guess everybody and their mama just need to wash their cars today because it's too motherfucking packed at this car wash. Like, go home. I done made it a little thing. Let me tell y'all, the first time I went in this thing, I put my car in park. Nobody told me, even though now that I see, it says it right there to put it in neutral, but clearly I didn't see that last time. But yeah, we're going through the little thing. My car's gonna be clean. We finna get to clean it. Look at all this, y'all. Okay, we got that. Ooh, Lord. It's okay. We're gonna get through this together. So let's start with adjusting this camera. It's gonna have to do for now. I'm just about to get the trash out though, because ooh, Lord, look at all this in this thing. Ooh, too much. got all the trash out. Now I'm about to get to vacuuming. Y'all, I had some coffee up here that I had on here for like, gotta be like a year. But I finally got it, and I'm about to, I gotta do my little, foot car mats, and then I gotta vacuum.
I got too many hoes, but they ain't you. Like to put that shit in your nose, but I still love you. Be doing shit that nobody knows. In the streets they be thinking you're a lady, but at home, if you ain't nasty, don't at me. I've been working all day. I like to run the streets till it's dark out and come home, blow your back out. I hope that's okay. I can't leave you alone. No, 24 hours. Lately I've been thinking about us, about you as real as they come. But you would rather be on them drugs. I would rather hang with my thugs. Fuck when you been draining me out. You know that, you know that well. When I throw that, better kiss it before I go. If you ain't nasty, don't at me. I've been working all day to run the streets in the dark out, to come through and blow your back out. I hope that's okay. I can't leave you alone, no.
Didn't think. So.
I got too many hoes, but they ain't you. Like to put that shit in your nose, but I still love you. Be doing shit that nobody knows.
Oh no, I feel like I can watch
in the streets they be thinking you're a lady,
like sitting all over it.
If you ain't nasty, don't at me. I've been working all day. I like to run the streets till it's dark out and come home, blow your back out. I hope that's okay. I can't leave you alone. No, 24 hours. Lately I've been thinking about us, about you as real as they come. But you would rather be on them drugs. I would rather hang with my thugs. Fuck when you been draining me out. You know that, you know that well. When I throw that.
Yeah, so I cleaned my car. I was gonna show y'all, but there was too many people up there, and I was getting cold. So I'm gonna show y'all when I get to Walmart, because I think I'm gonna put a little smell good up in here. And then I'm gonna finally, if y'all watch my other video, I'm gonna finally put my little stickers on when I get to Walmart. And then yeah, then I'll show y'all the finished product too. I think I did me a little one too, because ooh, she needed to be clean. Okay, but I'll talk to y'all when I get to Walmart. Y'all, let me show y'all these cartons because I think they're just so cute. It's SpongeBob. But y'all, first of all, these licenses expire December 14th, 2003. SpongeBob, you're going to jail. And then they come in a 3-pack. So I just got it because I thought it was cute. Cool. So yeah, that's about it. And I'm about to go home, show y'all my car. Ooh, too much be going on in Walmart parking lot. I would show y'all now, but too much be going on. Well, it don't stink. It just smell like boy, like. But that's okay, cause that's cute. Let me show y'all. Just hang it. Up there. That's cute. So y'all, I'm at Quick Trip. I just filled my car up because that is a part of your car maintenance. Make sure your car is filled up. I'm trying to put these stickers on, so I don't know if y'all can see, but I just put the M, the Majin Buu. I just put the Majin. I guess it's Majin Buu. Yeah. Oh my goodness, that looks so pretty. But no, I just put the M on there, and then this is my other one that I got. I'm trying to take it off, but it's like so stuck. And let me show y'all. I had two, cause y'all, I was bent. Dang, it's hot up in that thing. So I had this too. It say, I don't give a F. Let me show y'all the finished product of my clean car. Wow, so we got clean. Oh, let me show. Let me see. Clean. Yeah, get at me. Clean. Oh, y'all need to see the outside too, cause yeah, we clean out here. Bow. So yeah, if y'all made it this far, thank y'all for watching. Make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe, and make sure y'all share it with a friend and tell a friend and tell another friend to go tune in. So yeah, that's all for this video. Make sure you stay tuned for the next uploads, because baby, we coming real consistent. Okay, don't play. So y'all might as well hop on a train now, and don't hop on a train when I got 1 million subs. Okay. So thank y'all. Stay tuned for the next video. Bye.